Land, thank you so much for joining me. You feel a bit far away. Do you need to come in a bit? There, that's better. How are you all doing? I hope you're having the best day ever, and if not, I am here to attempt to make you smile. Let's crack on. It's been so exciting the last few weeks. We've not really stopped. Paul and I were very, very, very grateful and lucky to be invited to the makeup. Oh, I'm going to say it wrong, aren't I? Because they're not Makeup Revolution now. They are just Revolution. And yeah, it's all very exciting. I Heart Makeup has now become I Heart Revolution, and there's just been a bit of a rejig, and part of that rejig was launching Revolution Pro, a brand new brand for the brand. And yeah, Paul and I were very, very grateful to be invited to the launch party, which was also the 4th birthday of Makeup Revolution / Revolution. Anyway, so happy birthday to the team. Well done. And thank you so very much for inviting us to celebrate with you and to launch Makeup Revolution. No, to launch Revolution Pro. How many times am I going to get that wrong over the next few videos? Because it won't just be limited to this one, let me tell you. So hopefully I will be able to insert a little clip of the event. I was just wandering around all day in just awe of all the copper and rose gold and white. You know my deal, don't you? You know my deal. I was literally like, Paul, this is how I want my house to look. So I'll try and insert some footage now, hopefully, of the event for you to just see what the room was like and what the event was like, and hopefully see a few of the products. So yeah, cross your fingers that this works. So hopefully you will have been able to see there how beautiful the event was. There were a few products that particularly caught my eye. A few of the palettes I was like, oh, they're stunning. So when I got home, because I'd seen some of the products and I was really excited, I thought I would go and do a little bit of a haul, do a bit of an unboxing and show you what I got. Also, we did get some goodie bags from the event, which was super generous. So I thought what we would do is give one away. So stick with me till the end. I know I've been waffling for a while, but let's unbox all these items. And then at the end, I will let you know what we got in the goodie bags and we will start the giveaway. What's in the box? So let me just show you the thing that I got for Charlotte because that's on top. And you've probably seen these already on the Revolution channel. So this is from I Heart Revolution, which was I Heart Makeup, and these are the surprise eggs. The one I got for Charlotte is the mermaid egg. And I just think they're so cute. I mean, look, such a vivid colour. I think these were a £5. And in these you get, are they all shimmers? I think in this they're all shimmers. There's definitely, or is that a matte? Oh, that might be a duochrome actually. Okay, so it looks on the surface of it that these 4 are shimmers, and this, it looks more matte, but it looks like it could have a little bit of a duochrome effect in it. Obviously this one looks a lot chunkier than the other 3. You can see that on camera really, really easily. But just cute bright colours as well, which for Charlotte is perfect. I actually can't remember what I've ordered. It's been that long that these have been in the cupboard. I've got not a clue what's going on. Oh, this. There was a particular palette that caught my eye because it was just sitting there going, oi, look at me, everyone. So I thought, right, I'm going to get it because it's beautiful and it's so different. It's absolutely stunning. And when it's arrived, I figured it wouldn't be as much of an effect because all the lights aren't on it. It's just, you know, in the plain light of day. Oh, how wrong was I? It is still as stunning as it was in that case with all the lighting on. So this is the Revolution Pro Regeneration Palette in Trends Celestial. Oh my god! Right then, let's get it open and up. Honestly, I really hope you are picking up the just of it. It's beautiful. Look at it. Look at it. Oh god, it's so beautiful. Can you see all that marbling? So beautiful. I tell you what, I'm not liking this thing, this plastic thing that's in here. There's like a layer of shrink wrap over it, and it's making me feel funny. It's making me do the cotton wool face. What else did I get? Oh, these I am so excited to try. Right, so these are the Revolution Flawless Foils. I have been hearing about these. I have heard rumours of such products. So I think when I started getting into Makeup Revolution, I discovered Makeup Revolution just over a year ago, February last year. So February 2017, I discovered Makeup Revolution, and I just missed out on a few products that were either limited edition or had sold out. And the foils looked epic. Whenever I'd seen them on a video, if Tammy or Carmi or Sophie used them, they just looked amazing. So I'm so happy they've brought them back, so I can try them. So I went and got Retreat and unicorn foil. So each one, let me try and open it so I can show you. So each one comes with a little pot, a little it looks like just a shimmery eyeshadow. So this one is kind of a khaki goldy kind of colour, which if you know me, you know I'm obsessed with my khakis, love it. But also you get this little liquid with it as well, which is an intensifying primer. So if you mix this with this, you know how you can like spray your brush with setting spray and wet your brush a little bit and it makes the shimmer shadows a lot more intense? This is like this, but on another level. So I cannot wait to try using these. So I got the khaki gold undertoned one called Retreat, was it? Yep, Retreat. And then this one is unicorn foil. So this is the kind of iridescent unicorny kind, you know what I mean, don't you? That's that kind of pearlized pinky purple icy kind of deal, which leaks. I then bought one of the Revolution, what are these called? What are these even called? Cushion correctors. This one is the green one. I do get lots of redness around my cheeks and on my nose, so I've started using a green corrector just to diffuse that and just to take some of that away. This bit is on like a spring, so to get more of the product, you literally just dip it in and it dips straight into the product. How brilliant is that? Then I got me a liquid eyeliner. I feel like I am getting so much braver and so much better with liquid eyeliner. I do like to have a nice big wing, and I feel like watching the Revolution YouTube channel and watching Carmi did a step-by-step tutorial on doing a winged liquid liner. Sometimes just a different way of doing something works so much better. So yeah, I love it. So I went and got myself a new one because I'm getting so much braver, and this is, it's not a pro one, so this is a Revolution one, and yeah, waterproof obviously, so yeah, I cannot wait. It's only a small one, but I kind of like that. I feel like it's going to be a bit easier to be more precise, so I will report back. Can I just say as well, all of this packaging, how chic and beautiful is all of this packaging? I love it. Is there anything I don't love about Makeup Revolution? I don't love saying this new flipping name, do I? My God, sorry. Sorry. Next, I got this eyeshadow brush from, it says Freedom. It's a Freedom one. However, Freedom is being discontinued, I believe. I believe Revolution Pro is replacing Freedom. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, this is the Pro Eyeshadow Blending Brush, and it's the Pro FE 103, and it just looks a really good, fluffy, I don't have any scissors to open it. It just looks, you can see through the packaging, a really good, fluffy brush, and I am loving at the minute my fluffy eyeshadow brush, but it's huge. It's a really, really huge, fluffy top to it, which is perfect for blending. But when I want to do like a smoky bit or just a bit more of a detailed blend into the crease without really diffusing it. Then I wanted something a bit smaller, so I'm looking forward to that because that looks perfect. Right, last but certainly not least is something I have been mega excited about. Do you remember a few videos ago, I can't remember which one, it might have been when I was testing the Revolution Fast Base foundation. I was talking about an old foundation that I used to use about 20 years ago, and it was by Virgin V. They had a liquid foundation, which was the best foundation I have ever used in my entire life. It was brilliant. It was full coverage, and I love a full coverage. It was the perfect shade. It was a beautiful texture. It didn't dry out my skin. It didn't show up any of the dryness on my skin. So I was that was one of the reasons I was super happy with the Fast Base foundation, because it makes my dry ass skin look really dewy and really nice, and the texture's really good. So it was kind of reminding me of that foundation. Then I spied this at the launch party, which I was so excited about, because this looks like the Virgin V foundation. I mean, I'm trying not to get super excited, but we all know me, I can't help it. So, full cover camouflage foundation. That is exactly what I want. And I wanted it in liquid form. So if this is half as creamy and nourishing to my dry skin as the Fast Base foundation is from Revolution, I will be so happy. So this is the Revolution Pro foundation, which I will absolutely do a video on and report back to you on. I am gonna do a video using most of these because I really believe in this brand, and I love this brand so much. I never talk about anything on my channel unless I 100% am this enthusiastic about it. I don't get sponsored, I don't get paid for this. If you know me, you know it's a ridiculous task trying to tell me to do anything, because as soon as you tell me what to do, I want to go and do the opposite. So anything I enthuse about on this channel is 100% because I absolutely believe in it. I want to get across to you how much I love this brand. So I want to show you it working. I want to show you how excited I am when I get a delivery of their products. To find a company as well who are inclusive, who are innovative, who do not break the bank. In fact, they don't even make a dent on the bank. And I just think that's amazing. I just think that's amazing. There's no elitism whatsoever. It's not a case of, well, you have to spend £50 per pallet for it to be any good. You just don't. You really don't. You just don't. So that is everything from my haul. Let me just quickly go through what was in the goodie bags from the launch of Revolution Pro, and then we will organise a little bit of a giveaway. Right, so our goodie bag was this Revolution Beauty London bag. What a useful little makeup bag. There's the little mesh window so you can see exactly what's in there. So yeah, let's have a see. Right, so you've probably all seen this. This is one of the Revolution Pro lipsticks, which I like. Well, liquid lips. Revolution Pro Supreme Matte Lip Pigment in Illusion. I like so. I mean, look at that packaging. How chic and beautiful is this? So if you were a freelance professional makeup artist and you had a row of these in your kit, they just look super chic and super beautiful. I just think, yeah, they're gorgeous. And they'll fit together perfectly as well if you've got a few of them. So we have got a liquid lip colour. Oh, that looks a gorgeous pinky brownie nude colour. Oh yeah, I like that. Shall we do a swatch? Oh, look at that. Do you know, that went on so creamy and so nice. Gorgeous. I love that colour. I love that colour. What I like again as well is the little window there, so you can see that it's running out. You can see which colour it is. I know it's hashtag first world problems, but trying to find a lipstick when you've got a collection and you've got to open everything to see which one it is and to see what tones go with what is really difficult. They really have thought of everything. So we got one of those. Super excited. We also got one of the ingot highlighters, which I love. I have got one of these. You will have heard me talk about it. You will have heard me enthuse about it. This is the one of the ingot highlighters. There are 3 in the collection. There's a yellow gold, a platinum, and then the rose gold. And I feel like Revolution have really done a good job in getting the rose gold right. So many people either do it too gold or it becomes too coppery, but this is a true rose gold, which is just super, super lovely. And then last but not least, and I was so happy about this, is one of the I Heart Revolution palettes. This one is the 24 karat. Yeah, the 24K gold. I mean, just look at that shine. Look at that. So we've got the shade names of everything. We've got the little applicator. Do not ever throw these away. Do not ever. They are perfect for the inside. Can you see how well it fits there? Perfect for inner corner highlighting. And let me hold this so that I'm not blinding you all. It's not working. Right, let me do that. Let me do this. I'll just do this. I'll just do this. So then we've got just gorgeous colours in there. And for me, these are just perfect. These are absolutely perfect. And I've been dying to open these and show them to you so I can start using this flipping palette. Beautiful nudes, beautiful cool tones as well, which I'm super happy about. And we've got some beautiful shimmers in there. We've got some golds. We've got some more of the bronzy shimmers, and there's a gorgeous green. Look at that green. That is super stunning. I love it. Weren't we just spoiled? I mean, really. Because I am super spoiled and super lucky, we got two. So I thought that because you lot have been super, super lovely in supporting me over the past few months, I would do a little giveaway and send this as a token of my appreciation to you lot. So to enter the giveaway, you need to obviously be subscribed to me on YouTube, you need to be following me on Twitter, and you need to be following me on Instagram. Go and leave me a comment when you've done so, letting me know which your favourite product has been from this haul. Obviously leave me a purple heart. I love me a purple heart. Yeah, and in the meantime, I have got to go. I am going to be so late for Charlotte. I hope you enjoyed everything in this haul. I hope it's giving you a little bit of inspiration to go and try some of the products, and I hope you're looking forward to some of the individual product reviews because I am super excited to use it all. Just a note as well, I'm feeling super generous, so I will open this giveaway internationally because I know that some of my viewers aren't just in the UK. If you are a viewer of Leila Land and you support me and you send me some love, then it shouldn't matter where you are. So hoping this doesn't break the bank, but I'm gonna get something. So yeah, this is an international giveaway, so go and share it. Make sure you're following me, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you leave me a comment, and yeah, I gotta go do the school run, so do all that and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.